Hello students and welcome back to the English Danny channel. This is a new episode of Three-Way English with Dr. Don. If you missed the first episode in this series, you can watch it on our channel page. You can watch the series in any order, but it might help if you watch the first video first. Remember, with Three-Way English, I will be telling you a story three different ways. First, in a very basic, simple way, then twice more with increasing difficulty. The idea is to help you learn English grammar and vocabulary in context. Okay, so today's story is about travel and future plans. I'm going to tell you about my big trip home. The first time through, I will use simple present and the future tense with will. This is one of the simplest of the verb tenses. There will be few idioms or phrasal verbs and very basic vocabulary. I will speak slowly and with no contractions. Okay, so tomorrow I will make a long trip back to the United States. I'm in Korea now, and we have a winter vacation, so I will go home to visit my family for 1 month. Tomorrow afternoon, I will take a train to Seoul. Then I will fly from Seoul to Atlanta, Georgia. The flight will take 14 hours. I hope I will sleep a little during the flight, or I will be very tired when I get to Atlanta. I will meet my parents at the airport, and they will take me to my sister's house. I will stay with my sister and my brother-in-law for the winter vacation. When I'm home, I will eat some different food that I cannot find in Korea. For example, I will eat barbecue, drink iced tea, and also try some apple cobbler. Of course, I will also visit with my family and friends when I am home. Many people I know back home have not seen me in 11 months or even longer. I will try to spend some time with everyone I know, and maybe even see a few movies in the theater when I'm there. I will fly back to Korea after a trip of about 4 weeks. Then I will prepare for the next semester. I hope this trip will be very memorable for me and all my friends and family back home. Okay, now the second time through. Now I will use the future tense with going to in addition to will. I will also use some slightly more complicated vocabulary and sentence structures, as well as contractions, and speak a little bit more quickly. Tomorrow, I'm making a long trip back to the United States. I'm in Korea now, and we're on winter vacation, so I have a month to go home and visit my family. Tomorrow afternoon, I'll take a trip up to Seoul. From there, I'll fly to Atlanta, Georgia. The flight will take 14 hours. I'm hoping to get some sleep during the flight, or else I'll be very tired when I get to Atlanta. My parents will meet me at the airport and take me to my sister's house, where I will be staying during my trip home. While I'm home, I'm going to enjoy some food and drink that I can't usually get in Korea. These include barbecue chicken, iced tea, and apple cobbler. I'm also going to hang out with my family and friends while I'm home. Many people I know haven't seen me for 11 months or more. I hope to have time to meet with everyone while I'm back there. If I have time, I'll even watch a few movies in the theater. After about 4 weeks in the States, I'll come back to Korea and start preparing for the next semester. I hope this trip will be memorable, both for me and my friends and family back home. Okay, now the third time through. Here, I'll introduce some more complicated verb forms and also include some idioms and common phrasal verbs. This time through will be much closer to native level, speed, and English level. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to make the long, hard trip back home to the U.S. Here in Korea, we're on winter break, so I've got a month off to spend time with my family. It begins tomorrow afternoon with a long train trip to Seoul. From there, I'm flying 14 hours nonstop to Atlanta. If I don't get some sleep during the flight, it's going to be rough for me when I finally touch down in Atlanta. My parents are meeting me at the airport to drive us up to my sister's house, where I'll be staying during the break. While I'm home, I'm going to enjoy some tasty food and drinks that they don't usually have here. I'm talking barbecue chicken, iced tea, apple cobbler, things like that. I'm also going to hang out with friends and family. A lot of folks I know haven't seen me in about 11 months, in some cases longer, and I hope to have time to meet with everyone while I'm back. If there's time, I might even catch a movie or two at the local theater. The break's a little over a month, so after 4 weeks back home, I'm flying back to Korea to prepare for next semester. Here's hoping this trip will be one for the ages for all concerned. Oh, but don't worry. English Danny channel subscribers, I'm still going to be making videos while I'm back home. So you can still keep up with your English level language practice, and I'll be working hard, so you should too. All right. Well, that's it for today's episode of Three-Way English. If you enjoyed this content, why not like and share the video? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when there's new videos available. All right, if you'd like more practice, you can check out some of the other videos that we have in the links. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.